If you want to protect your driver and get a birdie, check this out. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter von Panda. I just wanted to give you a quick hit of this. It's by Craftsman Golf, one of my favorite companies because they make some really fun stuff, but they make it very affordable to the average guy like you and me. Now, this one is a Toucan, which is to remind you that you can play golf, and this Toucan will play golf with you. I want to show you here. It says Craftsman Golf right there. Man, this guy is plush. He's got a lot of, stiffness in his beak here. Very bright, very beautiful. Kind of a sock style head cover here, and you can see I could use this thing as a hand puppet. But if I take my ERC Fusion driver here, very big head here, kind of like me. A lot of people say I have a pumpkin-sized head, have to wear custom hats. If I go ahead and pull this over here, can I get this driver? Oh yeah, I can. And now my Toucan is protecting my driver here. So if you want to protect your driver and you have a love of birds, maybe you are an ornithologist or, I don't know, just like tropical birds, maybe you want something that no one else has, then I think you could really enjoy this. And I'll be honest, if I use this, it's the only birdie I'm going to have in golf. So that's one way to get it. Hey, if you want to pick this guy up, I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper. We can live better than ever.